like this guys. Girlfriend and boyfriend on 125 having fun. These trees are old, like 40 years old over there. These are built up plants right before the revolution. The Iranian Shah wants to make this place like a recreation spot, and this was supposed to be a recreation park. But in this part you can see the old trees are just died, or someone is just cut them off out of the ground, and they're just planting new small trees. Very, what could you say, like some bald guy has plant his own hair. It's just like one here, one there, completely. And those are also is a military army family. What's the point? What block? I could say just block. It's just a tiny town. It's a private town, and those are the only what you could say tall buildings from 40 years before, and that the only single one is just been built up right over there. The fucked up things about the film in Iran is like this. I have to cover my face all the time. Never mind. So the action cams are not working. Regardless of how many GoPros I would buy or whatever, they're just not working. I can't mount my cameras out there. So anyway, let's just be like this. And this part of this is a park. This is a public park, so people coming and going and anyway like this, and they're just bored as hell, so they would be nosy, so that is what it is. Anyway, so this old anything past 40 years, fucking nosy people. It's just mostly built right before the revolution. I'm just playing with my helmet, so I would distract the people, as I'm suspicious like I'm filming. What the hell is that my filming anyway? So let's just go before someone come in here and say, what the hell are you doing here? People are fucking idiots. Anyway, so right when I just come down here, I mean, this is a part of the city. People come here with their own boyfriend, girlfriend, come here and try and just go that way. Never mind. So this is a park. When you come here with your girlfriend, boyfriend, you could do lots of things. If you have a car, you could do that inside your car, or just go behind the bushes. And the Iranian government knows that, so they put like some dogs. They would attend some random dogs around these bushes. So if you just have any plan to go down there or up there, you're gonna face some challenges like this guys. Fucking piece of shit. That was so interesting. So yeah, they have dogs, and in Islamic country you're not supposed to have a dog, but people have, like this dog. Yay! I could just kick that fucking dog, but because they have tags on their ears, and I don't want to face some crazy things, so let's just go away. Anyway, never mind. That was some encounter. I hope I'm filming this. Let me just shut the camera down. I'm very distracted, and this helmet, it doesn't go anywhere because my visor is just broken. I haven't ever done any illegal thing except this filming in public. So this is sick. The country is just Iran is one of those corrupted country on one of the sick corrupted country on earth. Everyone does anything, serious illegal things, but no one gets caught, or if even they get caught, they know each other. They have people here, there, everywhere, so they never face any challenges, any serious challenges, like any people in my neighborhood. So let's just distract people with this light. Anyway, never mind. Let me just shut that off. Talk to you guys later.